uDesign Cloud has several new features that will help you with your treatment planning. To make adjustments to several teeth en masse, click on the Setup icon on the right side of the screen and click Arch Adjustment. Notice that you will have to be on a single arch at a time for this tool to work. I will select my upper arch at the top of the screen and try again. The arch adjustment controls work best in the occlusal view. The three ring icons will allow you to control the teeth for that section. Clicking on the up and down facing arrows will expand or constrict the arch, while clicking on the rounded arrows in the middle will allow you to torque the teeth. Clicking on the up arrow will let you procline, clicking on the down arrow will let you retrocline. The same happens in the posterior as well, except that the movements work on a hinge motion, where more movement will express on the bicuspids than on the larger molars. The vertical adjustment tool will allow you to intrude or extrude the upper 2 to 2 or the bicuspids together. You will have the torque arrows in this section as well if needed.